So welcome guys, you are a part of Lifestyle Academy in this pranayam sessions. It's called Lifestyle Academy, and congratulations to all of you who are a part of this, because this is the first step for you to become your best version, right? It takes an action of a leader to find ways and do the steps to go away from all your difficulties, right? So congratulations to all of you guys, you are an action taker. And we design courses specially for people like you. We design programs that are based on transformation and practical activities based on achievement. हम लोग achievement की तरफ सारे programs design करते हैं, and that's what we are. We help you to get set go, right? So let's know your teacher. Let's see who your teachers are. First of all, Romil Charwa, who is a solution strategist. So he's an entrepreneur. He's a Kaizen trainer. He's an expert faculty. He has been into many businesses and many careers. He's also been a career coach. He's a solutions coach. He's an ERP expert. He's a planet planner, a healer. He has worked in more than 20 industries. He's the boss. He's a project leader for many projects. He has taken many workshops in the past. He's an event planner, communication expert, and right now doing a lot of community service here, right? So this is our coach. He has trained so many young minds, especially in the area of architecture, in the area of sustainability, in the area of eco-living, and in the area, he has also trained so many business people in the area of creating solutions for their business and for creating breakthroughs. He is the wonderful solution coach, right? And both of us, we have created a lot of batches called Kaizen, which was a leadership training program. Yes, I call myself a lifetime learner. I have also been working as a professional planner for many entrepreneurs. I have been an achievement coach for entrepreneurs. I'm a transformer, leader, healer, believe that time is money, created more than 100 leaders and trained and transformed. This is both of us. We have trained and transformed more than 10,000 people, including entrepreneurs, businessmen, startups, homemakers, students, all of us. So as an education, I have done masters in counseling psychology. I've done a master faculty and a course designer. This has also been done by both of us, master faculty and course designer. We have been certified as meditation trainers. We have been certified as Kaizen leadership training. We are super memory masters and trainers also. Right now, we are living in Auroville, city of human unity and transformation. We are also trained actors and actresses and business coaches, and we are successful entrepreneurs, and myself, a devoted wife to a loving husband, and he's a loving partner back. After doing this for the last 18 years, these are our key beliefs. Transformation is possible. Time and space are just concepts. परिवर्तन पॉसिबल है. वक्त और समय सिर्फ एक कॉन्सेप्ट है. योर इनर रियलिटी रिफ्लेक्ट्स योर आउटर रियलिटी. जो आपके अंदर बात चल रही है वही आपके बाहर के वर्ल्ड में आपको दिखेगी. लीडरशिप इज अ ट्रेन्ड क्वालिटी. लीडरशिप एक ऐसी क्वालिटी है जो ट्रेनिंग से प्राप्त हो सकती है. बैलेंस एंड काउंटर बैलेंस इज द अल्टीमेट गोल. हम लाइफस्टाइल एकेडमी में यही प्लान करते हैं कि कैसे हम लाइफ में बैलेंस और काउंटर बैलेंस क्रिएट करें, बी इट इन एरिया ऑफ पर्सनल, be it in area of your health, your relationships, your work, your business, in everywhere. Balance and counterbalance is the ultimate goal, and achievement has to be a daily habit, right? These are some of the past workshops that we have been a part of. We have been part of Kaizen leadership training program. As I said, we were the project leaders for that, and we created 108 leaders in Kaizen leadership training program, right? And yes, as I said, I had also worked as a professional planner, dealt with 10,000 tasks. And this is the expertise that we have reached working towards so many tasks and goals. We have, worked in and out and found 3 reasons why any plan fail. This is our expertise in planning and management. किसी भी plan को fail होने के लिए सिर्फ 3 reasons है, is what we have found out. The first one is procrastination. यानी कि आलस या बाद में करता हूं, ये वाला एटीट्यूड. जब आप ये एटीट्यूड से कोई भी काम करेंगे तो आप डेफिनेटली वो प्लान 100% सक्सेसफुल होने के चांसेस कम हो जाते हैं, राइट? सो प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन इज द फर्स्ट रीजन. सेकंड वन इज डिस्ट्रैक्शन. फॉर पीपल हु कैन नॉट सिट फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम एंड डोंट हैव फोकस. And the third one is fear of failure. For people who have fear of failure before starting any project के शुरू करने के पहले, if you have a doubt or a fear, that's the reason your plan fails. These are the three reasons we have seen for any plan to fail till now, right? And after a lot of research and after doing a lot of projects, so we've done a lot of projects like so many of different types of projects like yoga class, Zumba class, dance events, children programs. We have done a special superpower projection class for women cops where I was leading the workshop also. We accomplished our marriage in just 10 days. 10 दिन में तारीख नक्की की और 10 दिन में पूरा का पूरा प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज करके उसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया एंड इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल एंड इट वाज एन ग्रैंड प्रोग्राम, ग्रैंड मैरिज. And as I said, Mumbai mein we had done a lot of workshops and trainings. And now in Auroville also we participate in many activities and in many projects. We do a lot of group work here in Auroville. People from all across the nation, पूरे world से सारे countries से बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे अभी permanently shift हो गए और हम लोग उन लोगों के साथ अभी काम करके world level पे problem solve कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. For example, I was a part of this no plastics research program with Wasteless in Auroville, where I had a chance to meet Shri Narendra Modi also in 2018 जब उन्होंने जब वो Auroville visit करने आए थे. So I had a chance and luckily my photo was captured and I had a real good chance to talk to him for the next for 2 to 3 minutes or something about no plastics. And we had presented him about our research about plastics and इनफैक्ट इमीडिएटली नेक्स्ट दिन ही हमारी ऑफिस में उनकी ऑफिस से फोन आ गया था टू आस्क फॉर ऑल द एजुकेशन मटेरियल एंड दे also implemented it in the they started implementing it in the I think Tamil Nadu board mein they already took some of our chapters. So that was one of the projects that I was a part of. And then Romil has been a part of Bamboo Research Center where he has trained thousands of architects and so many young minds to how to build sustainable communities and how to build sustainable houses. How can you build eco-friendly houses and how bamboo can save the planet? In fact, हम लोगों ने bamboo पे एक बहुत बड़ा research farm भी यहाँ पे डाला है. We have planted more than 1,000 plants of bamboo 3 years ago, and it is a 10 years research project. And Romil is the person who has more in-depth knowledge about how bamboo can save the planet. And this is one of our next passionate project as well. Yes, we were a part of this community quiet research center. This is a healing center on the beach in Auroville. So हम लोग लास्ट 2 साल इसको मैनेज कर रहे थे और हम लोग इसको पूरी तरह से लीड कर रहे थे एंड विद इन दैट टाइम वी गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू फुलफिल वन ऑफ आवर ड्रीम्स टू हैव अ बीच होम. वी वर स्टेइंग ऑन द बीच एंड मैनेजिंग दिस ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. And basically we were completing this project. We were trying to save the land over there. There is a lot of beach erosion problem happening here. So Romil and me together, we came up with this beautiful project. In fact, this was a genius designed by him. And we stopped the land erosion. Every year we were losing acres and acres of land. And for the last 2 years, we have no land erosion after this. There is a story behind this and this has to be recreated. But yes, this was the project successfully completed. And yes, we also successfully launched our academy that we were doing offline. We launched an online academy recently. I think it has been just 1 year, last lockdown, we launched our academy and we have so many beautiful results coming out of this academy as well. And yes, these are a list of our few programs. We have something called an achievement gym where we help you achieve 100%. We have a 21 days pranayam and meditation practice that we are doing right now together. We have a 100% 8 weeks task achievement challenge. So this is a special program where I take very limited people and we have a 8 weeks challenge where we start one project and we definitely complete it 100%. Then we have a 21 days abundance meditation practice, which we are going to start very soon. 21 days meditation practice on abundance, 2x productivity plan, focus formula, stand out of the crowd, time the time. These are some of the other mini courses and programs that we conduct. And the list goes on. There are many more, but these were a few highlights. And the list goes on. There have been so many sharings. And as you guys have also shared with us so generously, thank you so much for sharing your feedback. It really helps for other people to know further how it helped you. And yes, let me ask you one quiz here. So tell me the difference between you, me, Elon Musk, Amitabh Bachchan, Narendra Modi. यानी ये सब लोग सक्सेसफुल लोग हैं और हम लोग हैं. So हम सब में क्या डिफरेंस है? Anyone, any guess? Can you put it in the chat? What is the secret between these people? Mindset, belief system. So we all have 24 hours, right? Fir bhi they have achieved so much more. And what is the difference that we all have 24 same amount of time? Determination, utilization of time. Yes, you're right. So it is the way we all use our time, guys. Time management is the difference between all of us, right? The way they use the time and the way we use the time. So if you guys say that, oh, I have money problem, I have issues with money, let me tell you one thing, money is nothing but your own time. So you have your time and time is equal to money. So start utilizing your time and you will see that abundance will start flowing, right? So this is what we do here. We learn together. We are expertised in helping you plan your time, achieve your goals, achieve your dreams. And yes, this is the program that I said, where we take you through these modules with too many tasks and very little time. We help you week by week to cover each and every module, making winning lists, making super action mode, giving you the focus formula, and finally, how do you achieve your goals, right? Taking you from zero to hero and taking you from whichever stage you are to 100%. 100% is the mission, right? So yes, plan yourself step by step and reach your targets. That is the one thing that you can do, and plan your time very efficiently. Yes, in all our programs, we share you our winning tools that we have implemented and successfully, completed our projects, because we believe in ever learning, never stop learning. हमारा एक ही मोटो है मेरा और रोमिल का, we never stop learning. Today also we continuously keep learning ourselves as well. And we also provide personal coaching for individuals, for businesses who are looking for more personalized and in-depth coaching. Because a coach, we have realized we also have coach for whichever area that we are requiring breakthrough. A coach is the person who makes you do it. हमको सब मालूम है क्या करना है, लेकिन हम करते नहीं है. So coach वो person है जो आपको push करता है. So that's what we play a role as well as coach, and we work personally with people to become the best version of their selves. Yes, these are some frequently asked questions. Where do I stay? We were both staying in Mumbai earlier. All our relatives are right now in Mumbai. And right now, since last 4 years, we have shifted to Auroville, which is in Pondicherry in Tamil Nadu. So what do I do? I'm an achievement coach and Romil is a solutions coach. And we are both running Lifestyle Academy, Planet Heart. We are launching Work From Home Academy, Work From Anywhere Academy. And likewise, our main mission is to constantly spread the change and spread the transformation in the world. How can I join your programs? Very simple. Send me a message about what you do and what are your concerns, and I will guide you which program is best fitting for you. How can I invite my friends and family members? Can I invite? Yes, sure. And definitely many people ask me this for pranayam and these trainings that we do also. Can I invite? Definitely, please invite. We want to reach out to as many people and give them this benefit. So pranayam sessions are completely free. Don't worry and just invite them and motivate them to join the sessions. Yeah, many people are in fact even giving missed calls to their friends and family every day and joining the sessions together like that. Okay, you're doing really great work. And what is the inspiration behind it? This was also one of the questions that was many times asked. So here is our inspiration behind everything that we are doing, is that we are on a mission to convert planet Earth into planet Heart. We are completely here to create a balance and a counterbalance in the lives of humans. So it is important for us to create a balance in our life to achieve any kind of success. And that's what we work towards. And our mission is to convert planet Earth to planet Heart and give planet Heart for the next 1,000 years to the world, to everyone. And yeah, that's what is our inspiration behind. We want to really spread this out to 700 crore people. That was my mission. And Romil has a dream to really create 60 billion homes for all the 60 billion beings in the world, different type of beings and different types of homes, right? This is what we are on. And this is what is our inspiration: transformation for the entire planet, transformation for the entire world, right? Yes, and many people are in this mentality that whenever they want to start something, they have this, not now. When I have some more time, I will do this. When I finish this, maybe I will start with that. So here is, I want to tell you one message. Whenever you get across something that you want to do and what is something which is good for you, start the process now. Start the learning now. अगर आपने अपने किटी में ऐसे कुछ पेंडिंग चीजें रखी है कि हाँ जब ये हो जाएगा ना बाद में उसको शुरू करेंगे, नो, डू इट नाउ, स्टार्ट इट टुडे. This is my message for you guys. How to get time, how to become more free, how to start your project, learn everything, but don't delay the process. Start it right now. Okay? And not tomorrow, not later. This is the philosophy which we follow. Do it now and continuously keep moving towards constant improvement, small improvements and constant improvements every day. Okay? If you have any more questions, put it in the comments, send it across, and we will be happy to answer you. Yeah. Thank you so much. This was a short presentation about us and about our activities. Basically, we are both creating Planet Heart organization. Lifestyle Academy is also a part of Planet Heart organization, and our mission is to spread it to the entire world, to the entire globe. How are you managing your time every day for your goals? With the Achievement Gym. So I am also a part of the Achievement Gym. I also practice the Achievement Gym, and many people from here were from the Achievement Gym. So in Achievement Gym, we keep you on day-to-day track with your task. So yes, I manage myself and my times and activities with that. So thank you guys. Thank you for joining, and thank you for really being there with us throughout the process. Shukriya सब लोगों को, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you for listening to us. Thank you for being here, and love you all. Have a great Sunday. Enjoy yourself. पूरी तरह से अपने आप को टाइम दीजिए, अपने आप के साथ रहिए, फैमिली के साथ रहिए, मजे कीजिए, जो काम है उसको कंप्लीट कीजिए. And see you all of you. Bye bye. Take care. Enjoy.